Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Last week, Brazil's regulatory agency ANVISA released a landmark resolution that reshapes the entire landscape for software as a medical device, or SaMD. This isn't just a minor update, it's a strategic overhaul designed to position Brazil as a top-tier market for digital health innovation. The core of the update introduces a new, optimized registration pathway for SaMD products. This is particularly crucial for devices in the higher risk categories, such as Class 3 and 4, which traditionally faced unpredictable and lengthy review timelines in Brazil. The new regulation aims to harmonize Brazil's requirements with global standards set by the International Medical Device Regulators Forum, the IMDRF. This alignment is a direct signal to international manufacturers that Brazil is serious about integrating into the global medtech ecosystem. The most exciting element is the creation of what many are calling a fast-track approval route. For SaMD products that have already secured approval from a recognized regulatory body, such as the US FDA or under the European MDR, ANVISA now offers an expedited analysis. Let's consider a real-world example. An Argentine startup developed an AI algorithm that predicts cardiac events from ECG data. They achieved CE marking 6 months ago, but were hesitant about Brazil due to a projected 24-month registration battle. Under this new resolution, by leveraging their existing technical dossier and clinical evidence, they could potentially see market authorization in Brazil in under 10 months. This transforms the market entry calculation, making Brazil an immediate and viable target for expansion rather than a long-term goal. This change drastically reduces the time to market and the associated financial risks. However, this optimized pathway is not a simple rubber stamp. The hidden challenge lies in the increased sophistication of the required documentation. ANVISA's expectations for technical dossiers have been elevated significantly. The agency now places immense scrutiny on cybersecurity protocols, requiring detailed reports on data encryption, vulnerability management, and privacy safeguards that are specifically tailored to Brazil's General Data Protection Law, the LGPD. Furthermore, your clinical evaluation report can no longer be a generic document. It must include data or a well-reasoned justification that demonstrates the SaMD's efficacy and safety within the context of the Brazilian healthcare system and patient demographics. The role of the local Brazil registration holder, or BRH, has become more critical than ever. They are no longer just a legal necessity, but a strategic partner, responsible for ensuring every detail of the submission is flawless. In essence, Brazil has changed the rules of the game. The barrier to entry is no longer just about enduring a long wait. It is now about the quality, completeness, and local applicability of your technical and clinical evidence. The door is wide open for well-prepared companies, but it will close quickly on those who underestimate the new level of scrutiny. For medtech innovators looking to navigate this new landscape, understanding these nuances is critical. For a deeper dive into how these changes impact your specific product, you can email or visit Pure Global.